Now I never play pen, but somebody play to got me this shit.
That's okay. I think I did my job. So yep, if you want to enter exclamation point birthday, anybody can join. I don't care who I give my birthday stuff to. However, I do need to let you know that apparently they have a limitation on enlisted. I can only give away gifts to people whose accounts are on US dollars. So if you are not a if you do not have US dollars, I will have to give you a gift card equivalent for Steam, but it will be a $50 US. It'll be a 50 US dollar equivalent.
What fire? Oh, sorry, Vince. What fire? Why are you guys shooting me?
Did I not kill it? Okay. Alright, whatever.
What fire? Asal dia kata jalan. Asal dia kata jalan. What fire? Asal dia kata jalan. What fire?
Kill that guy.
Yeah. Somebody mark it.
Oh, I see it. Okay.
Tank? What tank? I don't see any tank.
I still see it.
I'm sorry, maybe I can't go too close to him. Never mind.
Fuck you. Okay, now I don't see a tank. And I'm not going to see any more tanks because their timer is out. All we got to do is hold the point. Everybody on the point!
20 seconds. Okay, I'm crashing my plane. Hold on.
That's fine.
Get back to the point. I'm going to be...
Actually, I don't think I can crash my plane in the point in time. Too far out.
2, 1. Game over!
Oh! I need the gorilla.
Right.
Oh! I found a German submachine gun. Here we go.
I was in
That will be
first
my last
place.
game.
I was in first place.
Oh, I'm second.
I had C34
Stormy, you're checking out? Is that what you said?
It's not going to be my last game, but I am going to switch to Soviet.